The Seoul Mobility Show 2023 will start press day on March 30th at the KINTEX Exhibition Hall 1-5, and general visiting will begin on the 31st. AUTOMANUAC 2023 is a co-location event of the Seoul Mobility Show, which will provide visitors with an opportunity to see all areas of the automobile and mobility industry, and provide industry workers with opportunities to find sourcing and partners, purchase counseling, new technologies, and understand industrial trends. In addition, more diverse incentives are made by additionally configuring high-tech industry items related to future mobility in the future. It will expand its scope to technology, production, manufacturing, services and solutions for unmanned vehicles. Korea Automotive Mobility Manufacturing Expo is being held in biennial as a show-in-show event of the Seoul Mobility Show and Busan International Motor Show. We invite you to AUTOMANUAC, which will be held from April 3rd to April 6th with KINTEX Hall 4. Thank you.